Your painting is good. Your quote is losing you the job. Before you've touched a wall, before they've seen your work, before you've even had a conversation, the client gets your quote and they're already deciding. A scrappy quote signals a scrappy tradesman. It doesn't matter how good you are with a brush. If the quote looks like it was typed in a hurry on a phone, that's what they assume you're like on site. The decorator who gets the job isn't always the best painter. He's often just the one who looked the most professional on paper. So what does a proper quote actually look like? Client name, address, reference number, date. Straight away, it looks like a business document, not a text message. Scope of works. What's included, what's not. That protects you as much as it informs them. No scope means no comeback when they say you are supposed to do the garage floor as well. Color schedule, surface, brand, color name, sheen level, all in writing, agreed before you start. No arguments at the end about whether the feature wall was supposed to be soft sheen or satin. Price, VAT treatment, payment terms, clear, professional, nothing left open to interpretation. That's not complicated. But building all of that from scratch, every single job, laid out properly every time, that's where most decorators give up, and they end up sending something that undersells them. PaintQuote Pro walks you through it step by step. You fill in the fields, client details, scope, colors, price, terms. It builds the document for you. No Word, no templates, no starting from a blank page, wondering how to make it look right. The output is a professionally formatted Word file, your company name, your colors, your logo in the header. It looks like it came from an established firm, because now it does. Free trial, 3 quotes, no card required. Links in the description. Try it on your next job and see the difference for yourself.